What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Franz here, and I'm with my dad once again with Project GR Yaris behind us. And today we're going to be showing you a new part that I think many GR Yaris owners have been requesting or have been looking for. Shout out first to Boss Rod from Hippo Techmat Philippines for making this happen. Because as you guys know, there are only a few countries where the GR Yaris exists in the left-hand drive format. So for this to happen was actually a special effort from Boss Rod. So thank you to you, Boss Rod. So let's go ahead and check out the left-hand drive Hippotech matting for the GR Yaris. So here is a close-up look of the Hippotech matting for the left-hand drive GR Yaris. Looking at this mat for the driver's side, it is made out of hard plastic, as you can see. The way they designed this is they laser scanned the whole interior of the GR Yaris so that these shapes will all fall into place once the matting is installed. So it looks very OEM and very rugged, as you can see. So this is made out of hard plastic, so it really will not break with whatever you do to it. The matting is actually deep, that's why it's called deep dish, and it's an all-weather mat, so you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to dirt, water, and other types of stuff that you don't want in your car. So you get this really cool Hippo Techmat badge over here. But if you don't want this, you can also take it off. I guess it's just glued over there. But yeah, it's a pretty cool touch. Let us now see how they fit inside the GR Yaris. So we will first install the one for the rear. Let's see how it fits. So you can actually put this on top of the stock matting or take off the stock matting and just use this one. So here we're putting it on top of the stock matting. Here's a quick look. It's now installed, easy as that. And as you can see, all the corners fit perfectly because this was laser scanned to fit inside the GR Yaris. And specifically for the left-hand drive model, you cannot get a right-hand drive version of the rear one because as you can see here, it has a curvature over here and on the other side it doesn't have that. So this is really specific to the left-hand drive model. I'd give it a 10/10. It looks really good. I think you were able to see how perfect it fits at the rear part of the interior. So now let's move on to the front and I'll be showing you guys how it fits on the passenger side and then the driver's side. So here is the passenger side, and as you can see, we have the stock GR Yaris mat over here. So let's go ahead and put the Hippo Techmat on top of it. Let me just zoom out. Nice. So there you go guys. Easy as that. You can simply put it on top of the GR Yaris matting, and if you take a look at the edges, they are all perfectly aligned to the car. So now that we can see how it looks on the passenger side, let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's side. And as you can see over here, there are some clips over here which you can twist to unlock. And you just do that and you'll be able to take this one off. That. Then we're gonna be sliding in the Hippotech matting for the driver's side. And as you can see, again, perfect fit all around there, and most especially over here, it fits directly on these twist clips, so you can just twist this and now it's locked and it won't go anywhere. And look at that, that's what you call a perfect matting. So guys, we're finally done installing the Hippotech mats for the left-hand drive GR Yaris. So this is a very timely mod because rainy season is actually coming already for us here in the Philippines. And these Hippotech mats being a deep dish mat, It actually traps all the dirt and all the water inside the mat, and it doesn't spill over to the crevices of the car. So if you guys are wondering if you can also get the Hippo Techmat for the trunk of the GR Yaris, yes you can, but we don't have it right now because it's still being delivered to us. But rest assured, the quality that you get on the driver's side, the passenger side, and the rear part of the car is going to be the same for the trunk. It's also going to be deep dish. I'll probably just do a post when the Hippo Techmat for the trunk arrives. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see that. So guys, if you want to get your very own Hippo Techmat for your left-hand drive GR Yaris, again, it's available in Peter's Garage, which is my dad's page. For how much?
6,000 only.
Yeah, so it's 6,000 pesos only for the interior set. The trunk mat is sold separately, and how much is that gonna be?
2,200.
Yeah, so 2,200 pesos for us here in the Philippines. And if you live somewhere abroad, you can just contact Hippo Techmat Philippines, and I think they'll happily ship a left-hand drive set of Hippo Techmats to where you are. We just showed you guys how awesome the Hippo Techmat is. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to please like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more future GR Yaris content. We'll see you guys next time. You guys take care.